This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are assembling the Travel Alaska box card. This card was requested on my YouTube channel, so I had been thinking about it for a little while, so decided to go ahead and just do it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to glue the front and the back of my card together. So those pieces are the pieces that just have tabs off to the right. I'm using my table to make sure that my card is level on the bottom. I'm going to open it up. This is the front and this is the back. So I've already glued together my film strip for my sentiment, and I'm going to glue this to the back. And then this is for the front. Oops. Okay. I'm going to wait to put my flower on until the end. Then I'm going to flip it over so that I'm on the inside of the card, and I'm going to put my iceberg. Now I've highlighted this pretty deeply with my blue to kind of mimic the appearance of an iceberg. Okay, and now I'm just going to take this and set it aside. The front piece is very easy. It's just a whale tail. My mom went on an Alaskan cruise, and I have a photo of a whale tail that she took. It turned out very cool. So I debated. I also have one of a whale breaching, but I thought the tail would be. So there's snow caps for all these little trees. Well, not all of them. Because you don't put them on these two center ones in the back, because those are the trees that are here. They're all the same size, so you don't have to guess which one goes where. If you put them on before you put your other trees on, just make sure, whoops, that you're not getting the two for the trees that are in the front. I don't know what iceberg it is. Well, actually, it's not an iceberg where the trees are. But there's a place that the ship sails right into for tourists to see the whales breaching. It should be a mountain, but I liked the iceberg. So I'm going to cut this one. This is half of a square already, and I'm cutting it in half again, because I want to give my forest a little bit of dimension. I am gluing my foam squares in place because they have not been staying stuck long term. There we are. I think maybe I'm going to glue this down first and then my fingers must be dirty or have glue on the tip. Okay. There we are. Okay. And that is the back layer. This one is pretty quick. Goes together very quickly. Okay, so then we're going to pull in our card base. We're going to leave it in the U. I'm going to take my insert with the tabs open. I'm going to put glue on just this side. I'm going to lay it down flat against the back and fold it right here into this corner. That will glue the tab exactly where it needs to be. Then I'm going to stand my card up. I'm going to repeat that process with the front layer. I'm going to lay it in front of the insert. And because of my foam, I got to kind of warp my paper a little to get that stuck down correctly. Now I'm going to put glue on both of these tabs. Oh, bummer. I hate when my glue spits. I gotta get this off so that it doesn't glue my card shut. Then I'm gonna leave this side here down flat on my table and take this side. And I've got to make sure I'm working against my foam tape here, so I got to make sure my bottom stays lined up. And then I'm going to fold this both ways, back and forth. Then put glue here on my back tab. And close this up. Okay. Now I'm going to put my flower together. I'm going to curl my leaves a little, my flowers, and fold my leaves. Just going to push down in the center there. Just kind of fit these in tightly. Okay. I'm going to put, I thought I had a half of one left. I'm going to cut one of these squares in half. And then put that on the front here of my card. My fingernail stuck. There we go. And there is the Travel Alaska box card. Thank you for joining me.